Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you guys exactly how to private your Instagram account. So if you want to private your Instagram account, but you don't know how to do it, you've come to the right video because I'll show you guys exactly how to private your Instagram account in this video today. So to private your Instagram account, it's pretty simple, but first you want to make sure that your Instagram app is all the way updated. Once you do that, you can head over to the Instagram app and you want to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen from your home page. So once you click on your profile picture, it's going to bring you to your profile page here. And you want to click on the three bars in the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, it's going to bring this bar up right here. And you want to look for the option that says settings. Once you find settings, you're going to want to click on it and then it'll bring you to the settings page. Once you're on the settings page, you're going to want to scroll down until you see the option for privacy. If you can't find the option for privacy, you can also search it up in the search bar at the top of the screen. But once you find the privacy page, you just want to click on it. So as you can see, you can just search it up if you want to as well. But once you find it, click on it, it'll bring you to this page here. As you can see, the first option that shows up in privacy is private account. If you turn that on, it's going to ask you if you want to switch to a private account. That will private everything that you post and everything. So only followers can see what you post or what you put on your story. But once you have confirmed it, now your account is private. As you can see, there's a lock in the top left right next to your username. But that is how you private your Instagram account. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.